how to set a slow motion camera setting in Honor phone. Hello friends, so welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can set the slow motion camera setting in any of your Honor device. Okay, so guys, if you don't know that from where you can use this feature in your phone, then simply watch this video till the end. Okay, so after watching this video, it will be very much easier for you to use the slow motion camera setting. Okay, so guys, if you are unable to set it, then just watch this video and after that you can easily set it. So now let's begin the tutorial without wasting any more time. But guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's get start the video. So guys, at the first step, what you have to do here is you have to go to your camera. Okay, so open up your camera and then guys, here you have to select the setting, or as you can see, okay, so you don't have to go to setting. Okay, you don't have to go to setting, you just go to more option. Okay, as you can see, if you didn't see that option, you can slide it from here. Okay, you can see my tabs, so click on the more option and then guys, there you will find the slow motion camera option. Okay, this is the slow mo option. So if you tap here, then guys, it will be activated. Okay, now the slow motion camera is activated. You can shoot anything, okay, in normal, but guys, that video will always be in a slow motion. Okay, so guys, now I don't shoot any videos. Okay, but guys, this will definitely work. But guys, if you want to shoot the video, then guys, you can tap the shutter button. Okay, you can tap the shutter button and you can record anything. Okay, you can record anything from here. So guys, this is how it's work. And guys, if you want to disable that slow motion, then just click on the X mark and it will remove it. Okay, and again, if you want to use the slow motion camera, go to more option, click on the slow mo and then guys, it will activate it. So this is how you can set the slow motion camera setting in any of your Android device. So guys, this is a very easy process. If you know it once, then guys, you can teach your friends as well who doesn't know about it. Okay, or you can share this video with them. So I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.